Palm oil is one of the poisons in your kitchen and should be discarded. I heard this on social media recently, so I decided to discuss about it. The person also said palm oil is high in cholesterol and should not be consumed at all. I know some of us also have similar doubts. We ask ourselves questions like, does palm oil have any benefit to the body? Does it actually increase cholesterol level? Is it good for our health? In this video, I'll be debunking some of the myths concerning palm oil. I'll be answering the question of, does it contain cholesterol? Does it increase cholesterol levels? These are some of the things we'll be discussing in this video. We'll also be talking about some of the amazing benefits of palm oil. I am Nwamako Ogechi Patricia, a registered dietitian, and if today is the first time of coming across my channel, please do become a subscriber by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you. Palm oil is an edible oil obtained from the fruit of oil palm trees. It contains fats, vitamin E, and carotenoids, which are vitamin A precursors. What this simply means is that your body can derive vitamin A from carotenoids. Palm oil has some amazing benefits, and number one is its ability to protect brain function. Palm oil contains vitamin E. It contains a form of vitamin E known as tocotrienols. This tocotrienols has an antioxidant property which has the ability to protect brain function. Some studies have also shown that consuming vitamin E-rich foods helps in preventing heart diseases, certain kinds of cancers, and even some aging-related disease conditions, which means since palm oil have vitamin E, this means that consuming palm oil in the right quantities will help cut down on heart diseases, certain kinds of cancers, and some age-related disease conditions. Isn't that beautiful? Another amazing benefit of palm oil is its ability to help cut down on the risk of being vitamin A deficient. It helps prevent vitamin A deficiency. This is because palm oil is rich in carotenoids, which is a vitamin A precursor. Like I said before, it simply means that the body can derive vitamin A from carotenoids. Palm oil also helps in the absorption of some vitamins, specifically the fat-soluble vitamins. Okay? Palm oil is rich in fat, and we know that fat-soluble vitamins needs fat, the presence of fat and oil, to be able to be absorbed and stored in the body. So palm oil also helps in this function. Now this brings us to the disadvantages of palm oil. Does it have any adverse effects? What could happen if I consume palm oil? Does it increase cholesterol level? Does it even have cholesterol? So the first question, does palm oil have cholesterol? The answer is no. Palm oil does not have cholesterol. No plant food source has cholesterol. Cholesterol is found only in animal food sources. Okay? However, palm oil contains saturated fats. And the saturated fats, when consumed in excess, can increase your cholesterol levels. I think this is where people mix it up. When you consume a lot of saturated fats, it can increase your cholesterol levels. We know that too much of everything is not good. Therefore, palm oil should not be consumed in excess, especially the processed palm oil. What do I mean by processed palm oil? The ones that are bleached, the bleached palm oil, the hydrogenated palm oil. These ones can be harmful to the body. It's always better to take the natural form of palm oil. Palm oil in its natural state, which is usually reddish or orange-like in color. It's advised to take palm oil in its natural state, the one that is reddish or orange-like in color, not the one that has been bleached to colorless, not the one that have lost its color, not the ones that have been hydrogenated. This bleaching will make it to lose its color, and that color is what, that coloration, that pigmentation is where the carotenoid lies. That pigmentation is what gives you that vitamin A. Okay, so when it's bleached, you've lost the vitamin A, you've saturated the fat even more. Again, if you have certain health conditions such as hypercholesterolemia, atherosclerosis, hyperlipidemia, if you are obese, Please try to avoid taking excess palm oil, especially the processed ones, the ones that have been bleached, the ones that are hydrogenated. Please try to avoid them. Try to avoid the processed palm oil and take the natural palm oil in right quantity. Do not take it in excess. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more nutritional tips like this.